Hey guys, Mr.III here with another Vont product. So if you guys haven't seen my lantern video, check it out. Vont sent us another product here. It's an LED bike light. And if you haven't heard about this company, here's a quick scroll through their Amazon page. Alright, so that's done there. Now I'm going to show you guys the specs of this, so I don't have to tell you them. Okay, so we're back, and it's what you guys really want to see. What's inside this little box? Don't worry, they sent two of them. So one I can give to someone else, and one so I can keep. So opening this up, that's it, right there. Got some stretchy rubber, some USBs, micro there, and whoop, sort of a chrome piece is coming off there. There we go. Tighten that up. You know what? You can even just clip this on your shirt here. There we go. That's where I'll put the first one. But let's see. So the charger port, it's right on the bottom, and the button's right on the top. So let's see how this really works. All right, so I was checking through the box for instructions how to put this rubber piece on, which, you know, I don't really skip that part. But this one I was like, there's nothing on top. Got the little hook on the bottom. How do you put this on your bike? Then it came to me. Whoop, spoiling the light brightness there. But you slide it right through there, and that's your top piece. And hold on, let's get it all the way up there. Perfect. And you do have a spare just in case you snap it. So you have 4 altogether. And then you get that right over the handlebars and clip it on right there. Well, since it really wants to show you the brightness or lighting modes, here they are. So we got the full brightness, and you do have just 3 LEDs on there. Got a dim mode, so that could be a medium or low. Got an SOS flash, and then another flash. So maybe flash and then SOS. And I assume it's the same on the red one. Yep, just red LEDs. So checking out the quality, you've got plastic ring there. Then you've got a soft plastic on the back with then a little rubber on the front over here, because the rubber flap needs to be right on the bottom just for that charger port. It's pretty simple. I can show you guys the brightness, and if you are interested, they did give me a code for you guys to use, which I'll put somewhere around one of these corners or up here. So you get a little discount. Actually, I don't even know if I get anything out of it. If not, here's an Amazon affiliate link. But yeah, you guys, if you like the product, purchase it. If you want to pass, do whatever. I'm here just to show you how it looks and works. All right, we're gonna get to nighttime mode here, so then you can see the brightness, and then I'll try to put some footage together of it on the bike, because right now, looking at a screen behind me is not really how it looks in action. And I know you want to see how it looks in action, right? It's getting chased by the police during this pandemic. And now we're in a pitch black room. So we're going to check out the brightness here. Ready? Which one you want to go with? Let's go for the white one. There we go. Is this studio light worthy enough? Then here's the red. And now lighting up the room. Alright, so there you guys have it. Gonna get you that bike footage here. And this is how it looks on a bike at night. I currently have reverse light right there. And then I have the headlight right on there. That's our brightness. The tail light looks pretty good. Right now the headlight, it's not lighting up too much of the path. Looking at the bike, it's pretty bright. I could change it and put it right here on the handlebar, which I'll do in a second. And that's the light output on the sidewalk there. So I think it's more of notifying someone that you're driving your bike at night instead of just lighting up your pathway. And now I'll just take it for a quick spin. And again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks again, Vont, for sending this out for me to try out. And for you guys out there, if you like this, you know where you can get your hands on it. Thanks again, and I'm gonna call it a night. Ha!